Well, it's April 5th for our hike of the week. Today we're starting in Rabun County at Warwoman Dell, and we're hiking on the Bartram Trail up to toward Pinnacle Knob. It's going to be a windy day, and we're not sure if we're going to go up on the knob or not, but we'll decide when we get there. It's clear and cool, 42 degrees. But it's another great day for a hike. Early into the hike, we crossed Warwoman Road on the Bartram Trail, headed up toward the first waterfall of the day, Becky Branch. Here we are at Becky Branch Falls. Got a lot of water today after some good showers we had last night. Really nice. Yeah. Walking along the trail here, we have a lot of huge white pines, tall straight timber, and the wind's howling up above. Now we're up at Martin Creek. A lot of noise, a lot of wind noise also. Yellow diamond is how you know you're on the Bartram Trail. Martin Creek Falls. Have a little observation deck here. There we go. Good. Pretty cove here, coming down. Nice creek at the bottom. Now we have turned off of the Bartram Trail to the left. We're headed up on the Pinnacle Knob Trail. This is a short but very steep trail up to a beautiful look off at Pinnacle Knob. The wind is howling here on top of Pinnacle, so you hear a lot of camera noise from the wind. Pinnacle Knob, you get a great view of Georgia and North Carolina mountains.